Here's how to fix Twitch not sending a verification code. First, check that you haven't accidentally blocked Twitch's messages. Open your phone settings, go to apps, select the phone app, then scroll down and open blocked contacts. If you see any blocked numbers that could belong to Twitch, unblock them and request a new verification code. If that doesn't work, turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off and try again. This can refresh your network connection and help delayed messages come through. If you're still not receiving the code, download the Twilio Authy app from your device's app store. Open the app and enter the same phone number that's linked to your Twitch account. Verify your number using SMS or WhatsApp, then check if your Twitch account appears automatically. If it doesn't, tap Add Account and scan the QR code from your Twitch security settings to link your account manually. Once the account is added, Authy can generate verification codes even if SMS messages aren't arriving. Also, make sure your phone has a stable network connection and that you're using the correct phone number associated with your Twitch account. That's all for this video. Thanks.